welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake. Before we get into the video, I am joined by...
Fire Alarm Guy 13.
And KTX Kev.
Alright, so let's get on with System Test 29. We got the emergency light, that's going to stay there. So we got the Kidde 278B, 2151, still got the outdoor Gentex horn strobe, still got the Commander 3 remote strobe. Don't worry, there's going to be changes. Just not here. 425120. We got the Siemens mini horn, Edward speaker strobe, Genesis remote strobe in white. L series remote strobe, General Electric smoke and heat, and the Firelite BG12. So, let's pull the 425120 first. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Forgot to say that's set on chime. Alright, 2151 time. Okay, so now we're going to do the 278B. Oh, they're out of sync. I don't know how it happens, but it does. This doesn't do anything, but let's just pull it. But that's the next pull station, so... And now it's synced up again. I don't understand this. Okay, you guys have anything to say before I end the video?
Don't pull fire alarms in a building. You're gonna get messed up and it's not good. It's that's not a prank. You're gonna get fined or in jail time depending on yourself and your aid. And yeah. Subscribe
and don't do drugs, kids.
Exactly. Don't do drugs and fasten your seatbelt. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in 2 days. Peace.
Subscribe to me.
Oh, subscribe to him. Sorry. Anyway, peace.
Yeah.